Good morning, dear students. The first grammar lesson is there is and there are. We use there is and there are to talk about things exist and things that we can see around us. We use there is to talk about one thing or one person that I can see or one thing that exists around us, okay? Or one noun. For example, there is an apple on the books. There is a cat in the box. There is a bird on the bench. Now look here. If you see, we are talking about one thing. One apple, one cat, one bird. So here we used there is. And if you look here, when we are talking about one thing, we have to put a or an before the noun. There are. We use there are to talk about many things like plural nouns. If you look here, we have more than one pencil. We have two pencils. That's why we have to use there are. There are two pencils. There are apples in the basket. There are books. And if you look here, the nouns ends with S. Let's test yourself. Look here at those two pictures. Okay, the first picture, space, a police car. There is or there are. Now here, this is one car or many cars? One car. That's why we have to choose there is. Okay, look at the second question. Two kids. We have to start our sentence by using there is or there are. Let's see. There are, because we are talking about more than one person. Okay, and there is a police car because we are talking about one car. Okay? Okay, look at this example. Some cherries. We are talking about one cherry or many cherries? Many. Here we have to use what? Think about it. Okay, look at the second picture. A monkey. A. When I use a or an, I'm talking about one thing. So here I'm going to use what? There is or there are? Okay. There are some cherries and there is a monkey. Okay, there are because we are talking about many things, and there is because we are talking about only one monkey. Excellent. Okay, look at this picture. A butterfly. You are going to use there is or there are. And here, the next one, a few birds. Okay, you are going to use there is or there are birds. Think about it. Yes. Look here. We are talking about one butterfly. That's why we are going to use there is, because when we are talking about one thing, we have to use there is. There is a butterfly. And here, many birds. So when we are talking about many things and we use S after the noun, we have to use there are. Okay? Thank you. Thank you so much. Waiting for you for the next lesson.